So, maani siya, guys. Nakuman na akong decorate. Ang ibabaw ra siguro akong gibutangan. Ang plano at first kay punon siya ingani, kani. Pero, basi maglisod na siya hawid. So, wala lang po na ako gi-cover para makita ang mga butterfly. Thank you, pilit-pilitan lang din ako siya sticker. Dira, oh. Be happy, hello. Pero, di pa ni siya, siguro na po ko ipang-add na design. Kaya na po ko yung mga ingani, oh, pang-decorate. Pero, so, i-explain ako sa inyo sa ni siya. Muna siya ang kuwan sa diri sa Germany, guys. Pag first day of school sa grade 1, makadawat ka o ingani every bata. Tapos, I check this, ako siyang gi-DIY, kaya I check this online, guys. Hasta maning mahala day ani. So, akong gibihimo, nagpalit lang ko ingani, ready-made na ingani. Tapos, ako lang siyang pagwapa. Diba? Gwapa kaayo. Kinlaw-kinlaw na. Ano siyang ingana. Tapos, kani siya, ang normal yan, isulod ni mo ani, guys, kay murag mga presents ba sa bata. Isulod, ang imong i-gift sa ila, or i-gagmay na makani. Isulod mo siya dira. So, muna among ipang sulod. Butangan ako KitKat. Butangan ako mga ingani. Sani, buhaton man sa ata ni bracelet. Kay si Francine is very kikay. Ako yung mga ingani, butangan ako siya lip balm. Then, iyang group is Afe group or monkey group. So, butangan na mo siya monkey na lip balm. Tapos, kipalitan siya sa iyang papang perfume. Dara mo, iyang papa may kapili ani. So, kipalitan siya kay gusto niya ni na scents. Then, tangan ako siya mga activity. Kani ako isulod sa kuan, guys, sa iyahang kani kay less na mo ang sweets niya. So, kani I think dili pa siya, feeling na ko dili siya pa mapuno. So, that's why ako siyang gibuhat ron para napako idea na unsa pa akong masulod. Ani, towel raman ni. Mga ichi-ichi ra gud yun. Naagpalit ko sa iya og storybook sa Peppa Pig nga siya mga ingani. Tapos nakita na ko ang ubang number, 23 and 21 na basahonon. So ayan, then yeah, muna ato isulod ha. Some Süßigkeiten, some chocolates. Maybe not all, na.
You have to mix it.
Yeah, but there's something.
Make different floors.
It's egal. And then I'm gonna put the book. Order this one first. I hope
Put
this
that
not
one
gonna
there
melt.
first.
Wait, I'm gonna put that in plastic. I'm afraid this is gonna melt, and then since it's summertime, you know. Put it in plastic. I think this is chocolate. LOL. Towel. Just mga kaburit. Bisag unsa lang ba. Lip balm. Sulod na to. Butang na ko ng activity. I think it's not gonna fit. Should be on top. I get one for myself.
You want one too?
Yeah.
You already eat one. So there's another one.
There's so much sweets. So, first other lip balm. Maybe I'm gonna put some of these stickers because I don't need it.
Then do.
Yeah, but we have to.
You have to roll it or open it.
Open it. So she gonna open it. So many stickers, guys.
It will be all on the furniture.
Oh, this one. Oh my god. I stick it. Tanga to siya diri, guys.
Oh god.
Can you do it?
Paris. You can do that. That's fine. Just be careful that you don't rip it.
Okay. Mura na siya, guys. Pumutang na nato. Muni siya din. Pununin mo ni siya dapat. You have to make it full. Then sa first day of school, ihatag ni mo ni. Tsaka mo ni siya ihatag. Sa first day of school, right? You give it like a surprise, Uda?
No, it's a tradition. I don't know. It's not a surprise. The kids know that they get something.
Okay.
It's like a reward for the next challenge in life.
So, butangan natin siya mga sticker. Because she loves sticker. Ito siya ng tangtangon.
Ah, shit, I forgot to record. Oh, man.
Seriously? You are such a... So, look at this. These all stickers, ano saan eh? It's like Francine. How do you define Francine? This all sticker defines Francine. Oh my god.
Perfume. So she smells good. That took quite an effort here for the two of us because Mama is...
I don't like the smell though.
Not agreeing with Papa.
I prefer to have candy, other stuff. This is
Not coming out, eh?
getting heavy too.
Yeah.
So are they gonna open this in school?
No. They just have that for the photo and then that's it. They're going to bring that home. And then...
So I have all the stickers now. Nakuha isa ka sticker din. Kamukha ko ng ubang sticker. Okay. You don't need this. Which is, instead of sweets, we put other stuff, guys. Du machst gut. Komm.
Ich kann aber noch gucken.
Wir sprechen Deutsch. Weil Mama muss am Samstag... Was hat Mama am Samstag?
Arbeit.
Nein, nicht Arbeit, Prüfung. Am Samstag ich habe meine Prüfung. Nicht das holen. Lass ihn das. Lass das doch, wala may tao diri. Today is Mittwoch. On tomorrow, guys, ay first day ng school ni Francine. 2:00 pa sa hapon. Sana ako kuyog na ko siya. Nami, 2 ka requirements wala na palit. Nalimtan yun ako. Malimot mi. Kabi na ako complete na akong napalit. Nalimtan karon pa na gahapon pa na ako nakitaan. So ni-eskwela ako ganyan buntag. Pag umag-eskwela, uli ko diretso kay.
And now run the whole way to the other place.
Yeah, go ahead. But I'll pass niya. Pero ni uli ko og diretso kay si Francine ra isa sa balay. Kung nawang, guys. So, ginoo ko. Bilar, 4 hours akong tulog. Kaya tubang lang ako sa view kay ug ako ang inyong tanawon, guys. Murag ma-stress mo kapil. Ma-stress mo kapil sa kung buhay. Grabe, straight ko last week og duty. Taman hatong nanging adlaw. Tayong kahapon. Eskwela dayon ko. Ay, si Francine, grabe ka. Energetic, oy. So, ugma na yung first day of school ko yung tanaw na to, mga video na to, guys. May hapit, wala yung tao. Wednesday, manggudrong first day sa school sa uban. And kindergarten site food. Come on! Come! First day of school! Daghang kimig bulingo. Ay. So, look at that. Na? Says the first day of school and you are in first grade. Este klase. Don't stress yourself, yeah?
I'm really checking.
We're not late.
How did you know?
See? I think that's the one.
Guckt mal, ich weiß nicht, ob ihr es wisst. Wir haben auch eine Frau Fröhlich an dieser Schule. Die ist nämlich hier die Lehrerin. So ein Zufall. Und
Francine po!
Bitte weiter, es gibt nichts zu sehen.
So, hello guys. So, ayan guys, after ng mass, meron silang pa free snacks or free coffee. Then, tapos ang gagawin mo lang is kailangan mo mag-donate or any amount na i-donate mo. So, ayun, kumuha kami ni Frank ng coffee and cake for Francis. And ito pala yung school ni Francine.
How was it?
Ich habe ein Glück.
You wanna drink something? Are you thirsty? Yeah. And how do you know I'm here? Did you see us?
Now Jenny Mama bring me here.
Yeah. And then, how was it then? Cool? Yeah. Tuwa na si Francine. Di pa baunan man ako ni siya, oh. Wala day siya gibuhat. Katawanan kay kinalimot ko kuha sa tag sa bag sa kabisi ba. Wala na ako na-check kung napaday tag. Karoon pa ako natangtang. Muna lang yung skillahan, guys. Dako pa na siya dito dapit. Pakugos naman yung kabaw. Pakugos man kang dako naman kay ka.
Pass auf, da ist Kaka da.
Kaka from bird. Look at that Francine. Where's Julie now? Because Julie was really afraid. Tuwa na duhan. Kat-kat na. Tuwa na, oh. Oh. Si Francine dyan ni ang leader. Kat-kat na, oh. Oh. Nagbistida man eh. Kaya nagmisa man good. Nagmisa man karon niya. Karon bisa gabistida hala. Francis po mura po grade 1 mura kadako. Pariyara kadako. Oh.
Flower.
You have a flower?
A lollipop.
A big lollipop? Oh.
And hair bonbon.
You have a hair bomb bomb?
Do.
Wow, Sophie hair bomb bomb to start the school. Opening her Schulranzen.
And Pupillen.
What's that? Show me. I forgot now. You don't need to open that now. Ah, it's a bit for you to make something.
A bird. Then from a monkey.
Apple monkey group. Apple, na? Was ist das? Andere Seite. Andere Seite. Genau.
Perfume.
Perfume? Ooh, she has a perfume. She has a perfume.
What?
So, I'll pass in that it goes to your eyes. Swai is good, fine. Kabalo po mo perfume. Silo still compose. Butang sa lamisa. La, in the table. Put in the table so you have plots. Pas knock to hasta. Gubot kaya mong balay. Pasensya.
Monkey lip balm.
Monkey lip balm.
Pom. Monkey. I knew there's no
Wala ang
toothpaste. I
program.
knew there's no toothpaste inside. There's candy inside.
Ah, what's that? Show me. That's a towel. When you go shower, you put you in the tub. It will go big.
What?
Yeah.
Candy towel will go really big. A LL ball. Well, an egg.
Uh-huh.
How did you buy that? Chicky?
Stickers.
What?
Another stickers.
Another sticker?
Another stickers.
Another sticker?
Another stickers.
Another sticker?
Another stickers. Sophie stickers.
Pick a big book?
Peppa Pig book.
Pick a big book?
Another book. Ikaw nagsulod, uy. Saan na? Lip balm ano, Vida? Lip balm? Ha, nag-lip balm, uy.
How much?
Ano pa? Ano pa isulod ra?
My hand is in the downers. And in the area.
That's why you put it in the table. The stuff.
What? 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 What?
You cannot reach it, should I?
And get them all out.
Yeah.
Okay. Candy.
Oh, what's this then? Oh. Sabay sulod. More stickers?
Help me, Ma. How many stickers do I have? Do I have a ton now? 100.
Sophie stickers.
And
That's
I'm-
Alice. Ang sulod sa iyahang.
Need to try to open it. That's so easy to open this.
Yeah.
Hi!
O na sulod. Oh. Lowly, mga kuan. Abubot. Wala na ako gitanan og sweets, guys. Kay kung itanan ni Sus, ginoo ko. Muna ang gipamutang sticker, mga perfume. Sa yung papa mo na yung perfume. Tangan ako bugkos. Lip balm. Magamit ba? Din mga activity book.
Monkey lip balm. Glossy.
What will you say now?
Hello.
Are you happy today?
Yeah. Wait,
And
I
you
have
study-
a lip balm like this.
You study good, yeah?
Mom, I have a lip balm like this. I
Yeah?
was dirty.
Yeah, okay. That's a office, so it's from your group.
A bag.
So, maura to. Ugma, muskila na siya. Ug sugod. Program raman na yung gamisa. Dayon, gamisa sa simbahan nila dito. Dili, dayon.
Back in the Schule.
Then, gikuan ra sila sa teacher. Gi-welcome. Then, gibili ng ubang mga gamit na nasa bag.